Hello everyone. So today we will study on the formation of moon and the evolution of the earth. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. So the moon. In 1838, Sir George Darwin suggested that the initially earth and moon formed a single rapidly rotating body. The whole mass became a dumb bell-shaped body and eventually it broke. So it was a assumption of George Darwin. Today scientists giant impact big explode a body of size of 1 or 3 times of a Mars collide into Earth. After Earth was formed, it blasted large part of the Earth into space about 4.49 million years ago. So this is how a moon was formed. Now the evolution of the Earth. First, Earth has an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Then 4,600 million years in represented evolution of life on the surface of planet. Then how was our lithosphere formed? Due to gradual increase in density, the temperature inside has increased. So material started separated according to density. So the temperature inside was very high, so the material started to separate due to density. This allowed heavier material like iron to sink towards center of the earth and lighter towards the surface of earth. So the heavier material like iron and nickel sink to the center of the earth and lighter towards surface of the earth. With the passage of time, it cooled further and solidified and condensed into small size. This led to a formation of a crust. Now, due to impact of a moon, Earth was heated up. It was process of differentiation that Earth forming material got separated into different layers, and from crust to the core, the density of material increased. So this was how evolution of lithosphere formed. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.